We've spent the last 3 decades making speed, safety, and sustainability a core focus for ZymeFlow. Now, with the same Zyme, with a new flow. We started by pioneering vapor phase, water-based, and solvent-based eco-friendly chemistries and application processes for decontamination and chemical cleaning, and transforming how the industry protects its assets and the planet. Now, we're taking this same relentless approach to innovating all facets of the business, and we're turning up the volume. We've stacked our team with the best in the business: bold, experienced leaders with fresh vision, global industry experts in turnaround planning, project management, and field execution. We're building on our world-class expertise to provide full-service chemical cleaning solutions. Because visionary thinking is nothing without a foundation of safety and operational excellence, we have spearheaded a new platform to put you back in the driver's seat. Meet ZymeFlow 360 digital planning platform that puts your entire project in the palm of your hands in real time. In our new flow, collaborative and detailed project planning are the new standard. We're scaling with purpose with new blending facilities in Asia, new offices in Canada, and expansion underway in Europe, South America, and Australia, while continuing to invest in the US. So you can move faster, smarter, and more sustainably wherever you are in the world. All the while, we're still creating process-friendly chemistries that push boundaries and solve our clients' most difficult challenges. Zyme LT and RT elevate reactor cleaning and unloading with catalyst-safe precision. And we're constantly formulating new chemistries to redefine asset cleaning and performance. What won't change? Our commitment to our clients' safety, asset protection, and project efficiency. What will? End-to-end partnerships from planning to execution. A whole new flow, technology-enabled and engineered to power what's next. Let's rethink how you protect your assets and the environment. Faster, cleaner, safer. Same Zyme, new flow.